waiting for our flight to Seattle.
Just waiting, ready.
Just landed in Seattle.
These burgers look good, they're cheap. I'm ready for some munchies.
First thing Ian says. Let's do it.
Record him.
So what just happened?
We thought rock was falling, but it was a guy on it with a parachute, base jumping.
I heard this big, like, sound like a 20-ton chunk of granite clefting off the rock, waiting to hear it land on the ground, waiting to hear it land on the ground. Look up and there's a huge parachute flying right into our campsite. Morning. Where'd you jump from?
What's that?
Where'd you jump from?
I think it's called the mid-wall.
Ian, what are you doing?
Struggling.
It's only 5:10.
I don't do hand cracks. You know that.
And you're injured. You
Wow.
got a broken leg or something.
That's no excuse.
All right, Ian and I had a good morning here in Index. Got 3 pitches in. It's crazy how much climbing has become popular. It's probably been maybe 10 or 12 years since I've been here, but it's just crazy to see the parking lot packed out with tons of climbers. Good morning. We got 3 awesome pitches. Let's head up to Bellingham. Michael Papera in the Flash.
In the Flash.
Big pile of gear.
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
So what's your philosophy on
what? On green grease? Use them. I think South Early Winter is the double peak. They can get aggressive.
What do you say, Funk? Jimmy? What's the good word?
Stoked to be here. Stoked to get some barley time.
Never enough.
What do you say, Dr. Pepper?
We're all gonna die.
Death is the end of all men.
That's right.
How's it going, Mike?
Boring. Seems to be going okay though. out too many times to like to go up. You double back.
All racked up.
Through both loops.
Ready for Paisano. Sweet. Jehovah Jireh, baby.
There's actually some spicy sections there.
Here comes Dr. Pepper. Top of the first pitch. Up there's where we're headed. Yeah, baby. I say yeah!
I'll put something in just
third class.
All right, Mikey's headed up the second pitch.
pitch. Good walk.
Mike, you're not placing any gear. Are you crazy?
I learned from the best strat master I know.
Mike's at the top of the second pitch. Jim is right behind, and I'll be shortly after him. Nice, Jim.
7, huh?
Keep moving the big jug up high to the left. Nice. Just keep super funning it up, Jim. Yeah, that looks spectacular.
Let me get my phone ready. Talk to me about that, Mark.
Sam club pitch on yellow. About to head up the fourth pitch. Looks pretty sweet. Walk in the park.
Should we do an air quality check?
Air quality.
Oh, it's
Still sucks.
just a little fog. There's the car. Oh wait, you can't see it.
You can see Ian.
Yeah.
He's be down there.
Yeah, if you waved a lot.
Oh, you want some triple length?
You ready?
I'm ready.
Did you want me to say that?
I do. Matt Barley, ready for the Crocs.
This looks sweet. I'd give it a 5.7 minus.
He's got to sandbag everything.
Interesting.
Okay,
He's Spray Lord and Chief.
you ready, Dr. Pepper?
I'm ready, Bizzle.
Hey, Pepper, did you take a boulder to the nose?
No, I've got some crazy wart blood vessels. My dermatologist says it's pretty serious.
That's my last number 1, isn't it? That's nice.
Climbing into the unknown.
Well, it's kind of well known. People have been here before.
What's it like up there, Barley?
Oh, it's funky.
Well, we got the right guy for the job then. Yep. That's your middle name.
Word. Mike's heading out pitch 5. Beautiful day, making some good headway. Still smoky as all get out. It's crazy. Crazy forest fires. Are we climbing in Mordor?
I don't know really where all that, but
Up there's where we're going. Jim's starting the 6th pitch. Sort of a wandery, blocky sort of pitch. Racking up. Mike just crushed the 5th pitch.
sweet.
It's kind of a wild pitch.
It was fun.
it was
It was my favorite one so far.
Yeah.
Everything.
No, I really like that second section of the 5.9.
Yeah, I enjoyed the 5.9. I think it's all been good, right? That's why it gets the
That's
good
why it
rating.
gets forced.
The
That's why it gets
5.7 was not amazing.
Which one?
The 5.7.
I don't remember that one.
It was so memorable you forgot.
It's the one that I forgot.
Yeah.
I don't know. My third class pitch was pretty epic. I mean, I placed what, one piece of protection? No, I don't think I did that.
Down there, you can barely make it out through the fire smoke. Is where we camped last night. A little bit of a snow field on the left side of the screen.
Yeah, the cars. Yeah, the snow's where we got water yesterday.
Nice, Jim. Jim has had some easy pitches, but they've been wild as far as it concerns route finding. He's doing a great job up there on the sharp end. 165 feet. What'd you think of that pitch?
Long, meandering, and tasty.
With the side of
Rope drag?
Rope drag. Here comes Mike. Here comes Mike coming up to the top.
Crawling.
What do you think?
Sweet route, man.
Yeah.
I'm still, I think, we owe Jim a beer.
Yeah. Or possibly 4.
Oh, yeah. Several. All right, so we're here on top of, what are we at? Paisano Pinnacle. Matt wants to know the high-low. I guess my high was hanging out with 2 groovy dudes, especially the spray lord Matt Barley. And my low was slipping off the slab at the last pitch. It happens.
Good route, wasn't it?
It's a great route.
Yeah.
Adventurous.
Wild.
I know. Jim did a great job linking those 2 pitches together. I was impressed.
Yeah.
He wants you to take up the rope now.
What's up? That's what we just came up. Nice ridge. Big drop down there. Another big peak, Burgundy Spire over there. Some other wine spires. The rest is shrouded in smoke. Car down there. The other great peaks over there.
Hey, we made it. Great route. It's a great group of guys. Amazing pitches were led by everyone. Mike and Jim both surprised me with excellent, difficult leads. I think we should smoke a victory cigarette, but don't think we need to based on all the smoke that's in the air naturally today. So I guess we'll just get a bite to eat and wrap down. The low point was that Ian couldn't join us. That's a big low, but we'll see him soon and head to Mazama for a little partay. Peace out. Here comes Jim's.
It's like an automatic fireman's flag.
It's funny, those people must have bailed from the first pitch.